Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Guess what time of the month it is? Not that. It's my favorite time. Boxyluxe month. Yes. She's so big. But before we get into that, I wanted to let you guys know I got the mystery bag and oh my gosh. You guys want to keep it a secret, so it's a secret. So you guys are going to be super excited. I'm super excited. The bag is to die for, and that's all I'm going to say. That's all I'm going to say. I want the bag for myself, but I'm giving it to you guys because it's for you guys. So if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, we are doing a giveaway, and the giveaway video will be down in the link below. So check that out. So you know all the rules so that you can enter the giveaway, and you have to be subscribed. So if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, you guys. It means everything to me. And if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. It lets me know how I am doing. And hit that notification bell so you guys know when my next video comes out and the next giveaway video comes out. So, she's big. Let's open this up. So the first thing I see in my box, I'm super excited for, is this Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacier Water Cream. Cute packaging. It's an anti-aging glacier water cream that delivers mineral-rich moisture while protecting the skin from free radicals. A fusion of ferments, amino acids, and plant extracts help calm skin while boosting vitality and suppleness. That is what I'm talking about. Ooh, it's so cute, you guys. It's pink. And it's like iridescent rainbow. Oh my gosh. So, ooh. Look at that. Ooh, and it's filled to the brim. Hello. This is $39. Ooh, it feels really nice. This is $39, you guys. Ooh. Ooh. Cooling effect. Ooh, I love that the product is filled to the brim. $39 worth it. It doesn't really smell like anything, but the cooling effect feels so amazing. So next I have in my box is this Fresh Soy Cleanser, which I've heard great things about this. This gel cleanser for all skin types has a cult following, okay, for the way it removes makeup, even mascara, without drying for soft, supple skin. It's made with amino acid-rich soy proteins, calming cucumber extract, and balancing rose water. Sensitive skin, it also soothes and tones. This retails for $48. Ooh, it is it. Ooh. I'm all about the cooling, and the product feels like it's to the brim as well. Love that. I feel like I used too much, but ooh, it smells like cucumbers. Hello, spa day type gel. I can't wait to use that. Oh my gosh. And the next thing I have in my box is this daily hair wrap towel. Anti-frizz towel, easy to use, hands-free drying. So that's really cool. This towel retails for $18. Ooh, it feels like a micro towel, like that you use to like wash. They use to like wipe your TV and stuff with. That's what it feels like. So I'm so excited to try this. And then the next thing I got in my box is this QMS Lip Line Corrector. formulated exclusively for the upper lip area. Okay. Lip Line Corrector targets fine lines and wrinkles. This high-performance lightweight serum is specifically designed to hydrate and plump lips for a smoother, youthful appearance. Plump your upper lip? Hello? That's awesome. You guys, this retails for $200. $200. I'm going to try it. I like how that, look at this. Can you believe this? $200. $200, the pump better work. Oh, there it is. Okay. I feel like it gave me way too much. Like, way too much. This is $200. You can't, like, waste this. You know what? We'll just do the whole lips. I feel a cooling, tingly sensation. So we'll see about this. I will inform you guys about this because $200, that is insane. And then I got in my box, it's glass. It's heavy too. The M.Greengrass Dry Oil Spray Beach Hair. This fast-absorbing, multi-purpose, I don't want to mess with this, it's glass. It's cute. Dry oil spray is formulated with a blend of high-quality oils that quickly penetrate, delivering superior moisture, leaving skin soft and luminous without feeling greasy. Layer with Greengrass hand and body for extra moisture. I feel like today I don't need extra moisture. It was like my no wash day. But let's see. We'll spray it. Oh my gosh. That smells really good. Okay, so this is amazing. I can't wait to try this. It smells so feminine-y. This is good. This retails for $36. And then what I got in my box, so excited, Ciate Confetti. I hope I'm saying that right. I'm so sorry if I'm not. Confetti highlighter. Achieve a sun-kissed glow with Ciate London's Confetti highlighter, featuring a mix of shades that have been carefully pressed together for a radiant highlight in one sweep. That's interesting. It has a nice natural glow. It's very, yeah, it's like if you want that natural glow. Ooh, that's actually pretty. Okay, that is really pretty. Really pretty glow. It's definitely like sun-kissed. This highlighter retails for $32. Wow. It's like as much as a palette. And seriously, this lip thing is $200. My upper lip is plumper. So the next thing I have in my box is the In Beauty Power Up Dual Phase Setting Face Mist. Did I say that right? This energizing face mist is the pick-me-up you need to get through the day and night. Special bi-phase formula instantly activates and transforms as you shake it. Get ready to power up. Formulated with our Even Autumn Complex, which helps even the look of redness, blotchiness, hyperpigmentation, dark spots, and dullness, naturally colored and scented with energizing aromatic, I can't talk, from plants. This retails for $32. If this like wakes me up and helps my helps my skin like even tone and get rid of the redness, and that's amazing. So we're going to try this baby out. Okay. It smells melony. Ooh, it gave a nice glow to my skin. So this is really nice. I'm really happy to get this in my box. And then I got Too Faced Melted Matte Metallic Liquid Metallic Matte Lipstick. This retails for $21. Oh my gosh, cute packaging. I got the shade Faking It. Faking It. You guys, that lip stuff really plumps your lips. So that's a really pretty, like, plum raisin color, I'd say. I like it. I like it. So last but not least, I got the Briar Rose Storybook Palette. How freaking cute is this packaging, you guys? It looks like a book. And then you open it, and there's a mirror, and this packaging is just so pretty. And that's the palette. It's so gorgeous. So you guys, this palette retails for $55. I love how it's so like fairy tale like in the names. And it says, life itself is the most wonderful fairy tale. I love that. Briar Rose. Wait, is there even anything on there? Seriously. Briar Rose. Ooh, so pretty. Spindle. And Kaya. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Castle. Prince and Grimm. Oh my gosh. Castle, Prince, totally Prince, yep, and Grimm. These shadows swatch so beautifully. Beauty, Woodland, which is, ooh, that's very pigmented. You can't see, it's like my skin, but it's pigmented. And Enchanted. Fairies, Thorn, and Kiss. There's Fairies, Thorn, and Kiss. These swatched so beautifully. These are the swatches. Oh my gosh, what a gorgeous palette. So I will be right back. I'm going to do a look with this, and then I'm going to show you guys what I do with this. Okay guys, that's the look with this month's box. I'm really pleased with it. I'm really, really shocked by this. I can't believe it's $200. Well worth over the box. All the products were. I just can't believe how supple and like bigger my upper lip is so quickly. That's crazy. But I literally love everything in the box. Let me know what you guys think. And if you guys like this look, if you guys want to know how I did this look and want a tutorial on this, let me know in the comments. And I will do another video on that for you guys. And if those of you guys are new to my unboxings, Boxyluxe is with BoxyCharm. It is a upgrade to BoxyCharm. It is every 3 months. So BoxyCharm is a $25 a month subscription. Boxyluxe is about $50 every 3 months. So the next Boxyluxe will be in March. And instead of 4 to 5 full products as you get in your BoxyCharm every month, you get even more full-size products than you would in your BoxyCharm box. But you have to have BoxyCharm in order to get Boxyluxe. That's the only thing. So guys, I hope you guys loved this unboxing, and seeing everything I got, and I'm so excited I got to play with it. Let me know what you guys thought, if you guys liked everything I got in the box, if you want me to do a tutorial on the look I did with the Storybook Palette. Let me know, you guys. Also, guys, don't forget to subscribe, and remember that we're doing a giveaway, and that giveaway video will be in the link so you guys can follow all the directions correctly so you guys can enter the giveaway. And also, if you guys liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. It lets me know how I'm doing. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so it lets you know when my next video is coming. Also, guys, don't forget, when you like and comment each video, it gives you an extra entry into the giveaway each time. So remember that. I love you guys so, so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Bye.